In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work for Deliveroo with our beginner rider guide. This guide will take you through the essential steps you need to get started as a Deliveroo rider. Whether you're looking for a way to earn extra income or considering a more flexible job option, this guide will help you in becoming part of the vibrant Deliveroo delivery community. Let's get started by heading over to the Deliveroo Riders UK website. This is where all the magic starts. You'll find a wealth of information here, but our focus today is on applying to become a rider. Once you arrive at the site, you'll notice an option to apply to be a rider. Clicking on this link will initiate the process of joining the Deliveroo team. Next, you'll want to click on the Apply Now button. This will open up the application form that you'll need to fill out. It's straightforward and designed to gather the necessary information required to get you started. As you progress through the application, you'll encounter a few details that you'll need to provide. Answer these questions honestly, as they will help tailor the experience to suit you best. Once you've completed this section of the form, you'll see the prompt "Perfect, let's do it." Clicking this will signal your enthusiasm and readiness to move forward. Following this, you'll need to select the city where you want to work. This is an important part of the process because it ensures that you'll be delivering in an area that's convenient for you. After pinpointing your city, simply click on Next to proceed. You'll be asked to answer a few more questions, providing all required details about yourself. This information helps Deliveroo verify your application and tailor your kit. Once you've filled in the necessary details, hit the Next button once more. Now comes the verification step, where you'll need to enter a code sent to your email and via SMS. This double checks your contact information to ensure everything is in order. Once you have entered the code, click on the Verify button. After verification, it's a waiting game. You'll need to keep an eye on your email for a confirmation from Deliveroo that you've been approved as a rider. This email is your green light to get started and join the community of Deliveroo riders. Once you receive approval, do not forget to order your Deliveroo kit. This kit is essential as it contains all the gear you'll need to start delivering. It typically includes items like a branded jacket, helmet, and insulated bag to keep your deliveries fresh and safe. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're on your way to starting your journey with Deliveroo as a rider. It's an exciting opportunity with the flexibility to work on your terms, so embrace it with enthusiasm and dedication. Happy delivering!